Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Gooseneck tea kettle for all you tea lovers and coffee lovers. Stay tuned. And here it is, the HadinEEon Tea Kettle. So this holds up to a 0.8 liter. This is a 1000-watt fast heating. It is stainless steel. It's boil dry protection. This is BPA free. So let's go and open this up. This looks like a really nice tea kettle. So if you like making tea or coffee, this is a very nice choice to make. So you don't have to actually use a coffee pot. First inside, you'll see your VIP card with a little instructions. It requires you to read. Of course, I'm not going to read it. And this just tells you that you have a warranty and that your comments or whatever is priority. So I'm just going to put this aside. It does have the contact information and their hours of operation. And then right here is the user manual. This tells you all about this Gooseneck tea kettle, what not to do and what to do with this tea kettle, what parts are what, how to use it, cleaning it. So now let's get into the fun part, the actual kettle itself. Right at the top is the top of the tea kettle. It's a little stuck in there. It's a little tiny top. Now let's get into further into the box. Right here is your stand, which will plug into the wall. That issues the power to your tea kettle to warm it up. It's just a standard 110 with the ground. And right here is the tea kettle itself. It does not feel cheap. It actually feels pretty good. Really nice quality. The spout is really tiny, but I'm pretty sure that it works just fine. We're going to go ahead and test that. It's stainless steel inside, so you just add your water in there. And then you've got this right here, which is really thick, so you don't have to worry about burning your hand. And there's your power button. And then you have some more additional information down here. And then what the wattage is up at the top. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take the sticker off. And like any other tea kettle that's electric, you just go ahead and put this on the base. You add your water in there, and then you put the top on. You turn the power on, and it will boil your water. I think it says about 3 minutes to completely boil. See, there's your power light at the bottom. There's your power button. You want to make sure that you don't get that wet at the bottom or it will not work. That will be also described in the user manual. So this just comes off easy. It just basically sits on there just to get a connection. So this is a really nice tea kettle. If you're interested in this tea kettle, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.